It is a hot, hot day. But this beautiful girl, her name is Donna. I came up with the name because Donna? Like a one Donna. She's a 318 dually. Can't see it. She got a box. Awesome. And she's a replacement, temporary replacement for my 1975 Ford F-250 Wile E. Coyote. Saw it on Amazon and I got it. I like it. South Texas, beautiful hot day. Hope everyone is enjoying their life. I know I am. I will tell you, if you're listening to this and you're watching this, always do the right thing. Always. It doesn't matter how poor you are or how ugly your truck is. Do the right thing, earn what you get, and enjoy what you get. Life is beautiful and it's too short. All right. Have a good day.